Hi, good morning. I am Jose Gabriel B. Francisco, incumbent worshipful master of Maribulan Masonic Lodge number 304. Proud to present our activity now called Donate Blood and Saves Lives, Give Blood, Give Life. It's a collaboration between Maribulan Masonic Lodge number 304 and the Raja Buayan Court number 28 of the Order of Amaranth.
Nag-participate ako ngayong araw dahil unang-una habit na natin ito na we donate blood regularly. So pagkaya ng schedule at least twice a year. Today is a very special day kasi ang sponsoring group ay ang aming Mother Lodge, ang Maribulan Masonic Lodge number 304. So we are here, we donate blood and save lives.
Participate kami dito sa blood donation na to para makatulong sa mga tao na nangangailangan ng dugo. Aside sa pagbibigay namin ng dugo para makatulong is meron din itong benefits para sa amin.
Kaya po ako nagdo-donate kasi alam ko makakatulong ito sa mga taong nangangailangan ng dugo in case of emergency. And at the same time, ito ay magkaroon na magandang resulta sa ating pangangatawan, no? Dahil nagre-recycle ang ating dugo after 3 months.
I'm thankful for this opportunity for Maribulan for sponsoring this bloodletting, dubbed as Donate Blood, Save Lives. And this is my way to a galloner.
Kami ay nagpapasalamat na naging kabahagi kami. Isang marangal at kapuri-puring gawain na pinamumunuan ng Maribulan Masonic Lodge 304 at ng Philippine Red Cross. May mga pagkakataon na kami, mga kasundaluhan, ay nangangailangan din ng dugo. Yung mga tao namin ay nasugatan sa mga labanan at nangangailangan ng dugo na kung saan ang Philippine Red Cross ay malaking tulong para mapunan yung mga nawalang dugo ng mga aming kasamahang nasugatan.
I'm here to participate in the bloodletting activity because I wanted to help others, especially who has my blood type, which is AB. As of now, blood is quite important, especially in hospitals. And the more that we can provide for them, the better we can supply their needs. This is my first time, so I'm a bit nervous, but I'm ready.
This is the opportunity to give blood to the needed people and also to the betterment of ourselves and to the community as a whole. Donate blood, save lives.
Be a hero.
Be a hero.
On behalf of Red Cross and Robinson's Mall, nagpapasalamat kami sa Maribulan Lodge Masonic number 304 in partnership with the Order of the Amaranth, Robinson's Mall, and of course with Red Cross. Maraming salamat dahil talagang kailangan natin ng dugo ngayon. Thank you very much.
So salamat po sa mga dumalo, ating mga sponsors, especially ang 38IB. Mas marami sila ngayon at mamaya siguro baka yung ibang mga mason. Maraming salamat po.
Would like to thank especially the Red Cross, Jensen and Sarangani chapter for supporting this activity of ours, and also the Robinson's Place for letting us utilize this place. Maraming salamat po. It will surely save lives. Thank you.
Donate blood and save lives! Donate blood and save lives!
Donate blood, save lives!